So hello everyone, this is part 3 of my building clinic management system. So in this video, I will show you how the full onboarding flow is happening. And secondly, if I make any errors, so how am I fixing it? Third, I will show you my backend code structure, that how am I writing codes that is maintainable and scalable in future. So as you can see, I'm on the login page. So first of all, let's just log in. Let's just log in with any email. So let's say any clinic owner comes, he logs in with his email, whatever email he wants. So as you can see that as soon as he log in, so first of all, he has to get onboarding flow done. So let's just write clinic name. By the way, this is the client which I'm working with, and I'm building his website and like digital marketing things and all. Now let's go on writing owner name. So it's Prabhakar Singh. Now let's just click on continue. So as you can see that as soon as the onboarding is done, it has redirected me to the dashboard page. And once I'm onboarded, it's not going to take me to the onboarding page again. So let me show you. If I just try to access the onboarding, so it will not let me access. It will directly pass me to the redirect me to the dashboard, and even I cannot even log in because I'm already logged in. So this is the way how I'm maintaining the session. Now I will tell you that if I make any error within form, so what kind of error I'm shown and how I'm going to resolve it. So let me show you. So now let's just log in with different email where the onboarding is not done, and I will just make like some error into the form, and let me show you how does it show me that this is the error. So let's continue with Google, and let's select different email this time. Now let's intentionally make some error. So let's say I just type only one letter, and here as well one letter. Now if I just click on continue, now you can see that this kind of toast message am I seeing. Okay, now let me write properly. So clinic name, and let's say I just don't fill that, so it gives me like in the form error, and let's say only one letter. So again, it's going to show me the toaster. So this is the way full error flow is happening. So let me write any proper, let's say owner name, and once I onboard it, so it's going to take me to the dashboard, and it's going to show the clinic name whatever I put over there. Now in the next part, I will definitely be showing that what I'm building next, like nav bar and the sidebar and the main page. But before that, let me show you how am I doing the backend code so that it is as I always say, the maintainable in future. So we'll start from the login. So as you can see that this is my folder structure. So this is auth part. So within this, all public route will be there, like login, register, okay, and onboarded. So within this, all protected file will be there, not just protected, but which is who is onboarded. So there is two flow, login and onboarding. So when login is done, onboarding flow is user can access the onboarding, and when onboarding is done, then onboarded files, like onboarded pages on our site, clinic owner can access. So let me show you by the login. So if you go on login here, so you can see sign into continue clinic and continue with Google, as we have seen from there as well. So as soon as we click on there, so this function goes run, and here we are using better auth for the authentication. And once the login done, it's going to take me to the onboarding page. So let's just go on onboarding. And here on onboarding, so we have the same thing, like set your clinic, tell us more about your clinic name and clinic owner name. And as soon as we click on button for final clinic onboarding, so it's going to run this action like create clinic action. So I'm not randomly writing any function directly in the file, but I have full structure of it. So if any action is happening, so it must go into its action file. Let's say we have onboarding.action.js, and within this action, I'm doing all the things which we have to do. For example, getting the values, and then if user ID is not there, then showing the error. And after that, we are safe parsing it. So we have validators as well. So let me show you. If you go on here, so we have validators as well, clinic validation. So everything is centralized, validation will be done here only, not anywhere randomly. Okay, this way it becomes very maintainable. So suppose in future I have to add more validation, I can just come here and just add more, it's not randomly added anywhere. And after that, what happens if there's no problem, it's going to show like this, and we are doing git clean by user ID, so we are getting clinic, and after that we are creating clinic. So this is the way full clinic creation is happening. Now once the clinic is created, it's going to redirect to the dashboard page. So it's auth page. So let me show you. Yeah, onboarded. So whatever files, whatever pages within onboarded, so only onboarded user can access it. So we have dashboard page, and within dashboard we have nothing as of now. So we have layout, so we are nav bar is being shown, and then main page is being shown. So this is the way full onboarding is happening, and this is the way how I'm writing the backend code. Now in the next video, I'll be definitely completed with the nav bar and sidebar, and will show you in the next video. So meet you in the next video. And if you are a growing business, and if you want me to build your management software for your business, or full professional website for your business, you can just contact me. My contact details will be given.